Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the Windows Update error code 0x8024a21e that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And the error message reads that there were some problems installing updates, but we'll try again later. If you keep seeing this and want to search the web or contact support for information, this may help. And again, it'll have that error code 0x8024a21e. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu. Search for services. Best match, should come back with services. Go ahead and open that up. Locate the background intelligent transfer service right here and double click on it. Set startup type to automatic or automatic delayed start. And if service status is stopped, you want to select the start option. If it's currently running, select stop. And then you're going to select start to start it back up. And then select apply and OK. And then go down to the Windows Update service. And double click on it. Startup type, make sure it's again set to automatic or automatic delayed start. And then we're going to go ahead and cycle the service status from started to stopped. And we're going to start it up again. And then select OK. Close out of here. Open up the search menu and type in troubleshoot. Best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. In the options over here on the right, go underneath other troubleshooters and go ahead and left click on that. Underneath most frequent, select the Windows Update troubleshooter. And then once that is done, go ahead and select the close option. And now you want to open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. Now if you receive a user account control window after doing that, you want to go ahead and select yes to open up the command line window. Now I'm going to have a couple commands in the description of my video, guys. Go ahead and copy the first one. It starts with DISM and then go up the top bar of the command prompt window here. Right click on it, select edit and paste that in. Hit enter to begin that scan. This will take a couple minutes to run, so please be patient. So once that one has completed successfully, go ahead and copy the second command in the description of my video. This is the System File Checker Utility Scan. And then go up to the top bar of the command prompt window, right click on it, select edit and paste it in, and then hit enter. This will take a couple minutes to run, so please be patient. And once that is concluded, close out of here and then restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully at this point the issue has been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.